Hello, friends, and welcome to another episode of Learning New English Vocabulary. Try to practice learning new words by looking at the picture, listening to the word, and see how it is used in a sentence. Let's begin. A hairbrush. A hairbrush. I brush my hair using hairbrush. I brush my hair using a hairbrush. Comb. Comb. Before going to sleep, I detangle my hair using a comb. Before going to sleep, I detangle my hair using a comb. A toothbrush. A toothbrush. I have a blue toothbrush. I have a blue toothbrush. A toothpaste. A toothpaste. A toothbrush. A toothbrush. I put a small amount of toothpaste on my toothbrush before brushing my teeth. I put a small amount of toothpaste on my toothbrush before brushing my teeth. A soap. A soap. I wash my hands with soap and water. I wash my hands with soap and water. A shampoo. A shampoo. Conditioner. A conditioner. At night, I use shampoo and conditioner to wash my hair. At night, I use shampoo and conditioner to wash my hair. A bath sponge. Bath sponge. A washcloth. A washcloth. There are two bath sponges and one washcloth in this picture. There are two bath sponges and one washcloth in this picture. A lotion. A lotion. A cream. A cream. When my skin feels dry, I use a lotion or a cream. When my skin feels dry, I use a lotion or a cream. A face cleanser. A face cleanser. I use a face cleanser to remove my makeup from my face. I use a face cleanser to remove my makeup from my face. Makeup. Makeup. Cosmetics. Cosmetics. I like a applying makeup to my face before going out. I like applying makeup to my face before going out. A nail clipper. A nail clipper. I use a nail clipper to trim my nails. I use a nail clipper to trim my nails. A lip balm. A lip balm. When my lips feel dry, I apply a lip balm. When my lips feel dry, I apply a lip balm. Cotton ball. Cotton ball. Cotton pad. Cotton pad. Cotton swab. Cotton swab. There is a jar full of cotton balls in this picture. There is a jar full of cotton balls in this picture. I use a cotton pad to remove my eye makeup. I use a cotton pad to remove my eye makeup. In my room, I have a bottle full of cotton swabs. In my room, I have a bottle full of cotton swabs. Face towel. Face towel. A body towel. A body towel. I dry my face using a small face towel. I dry my face using a small face towel. After showering, I dry myself with a body towel. After showering, I dry myself with a body towel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next episode.